So this is the Mezzo V2 chair in this box, and as you can see, it can fit 120 kilos of weight. I don't weigh 120 kilos. That man does, but you won't see him. But anyway, this is going to be another chair for the larger male, which has got a larger back rest. And yeah, anyway, I'm just going to get off the box and start unraveling it now. So. I don't know why I've done that, but anyway, this chair is nice and firm. It feels really, really comfortable. It's got a lumbar support for the back, and then it's got a headrest for the top there. And as you can see, it looks pretty stylish and pretty racing comfortably. That's not even a wordy thing I'm saying that doesn't string things together. But anyway, this is a really nice, comfortable chair. If you like firm chairs, this is a chair for you. This is their medium tier chair, so that means that they've got higher Anarchy versions, and they've also got small poor man versions. No, they ain't really. They're just really nice chairs, really comfortable. This is the mid tier, so I think this is like 259 to 279. But the link in the description down below where you can go and purchase this sort of chair. It comes in blue and black, black and red, fully black, and black and white, which I've got right here. It didn't take long. It took 10 minutes to actually put together. It's good because last time I complained about all the screws that were unnecessary and stuff like that. So when I pulled it all out, it was already attached for the handles. So there's 4 each for the handles. There's 4 for the base, and then there's 2 on each side here. So this time round, it was 8 screws I had to screw in together. These were a little bit tricky on the side, and that I wish I could make it a little bit easier. But anyway, more on the chair. So with the handles, you can raise these up to your own preferences. It goes in increments of 3. You also got height and adjust release, and it goes up by about 4 inches. Maybe about 3 inches, I would say. It's really smooth. So I've got my legs up in the air. Now that's some smooth ball bearings in there, or whatever they grease it up with. The wheels are really nice as well. They look like little alloys, but they're black. They should spray them up and that, so make them look more car-ish, but then I think it might look a bit too tacky. I'm not too sure about that. RGBs is a must these days in 2018. Why not have RGB chairs? It's got a little logo Arozzi on the side there to show it's a little premium mate. We've got the Arozzi lumbar back here that can be moved up and down. So if I go around to the back of the chair, I can move the lumbar support up or down, depending on your own preferences of where you want it. And then you can take the headrest off if you want to. It's just a foamy pillow. It does feel more hugging and more comfortable than the other version, which I got over there, which is more material. What I like about this, I won't get static shocks with this one, so it's pretty good. Anyway, it feels nice and smooth to move around with. Whoa, keep going then. It's really nice. If you've got wood flooring or carpet, it would be okay on there. You've got some sort of gaming chairs and then like literally, oh, a bit of a mission to move around. This feels very like stable to the floor, straight and everything like that. And I like it. It was really easy to build in, and it came in quite a big box, but it was really easy to build in. Anyway, I hope this is enough information for you. Actually, there's only the stitching's nice and all that. It smells good. It smells like a car seat, if you want to know about that. Oh yeah, I forgot as well. So you can release the hand release, and I can go pretty far backwards, but I don't want to hit someone else there. So you can go all the way back there if you want, or you can have it like Mr. Stern, I've got to do loads of work. You can have it like that. But for adjusting it, it is quite a big chair actually, saying that, because when I stretch it back like that, it feels like my legs are taking off. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you liked it. Subscribe, share, follow me on everywhere in the world and all that sort of stuff. And I'll see you later in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.